Sir, while sitting.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I would like to sit and speak. Sir, first of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Excellency, the President, who delivered her speech in the joint parliament session. I am supremely happy. In her speech, she has mentioned several programs and policies which is going to be implemented by the government, her government. Sir, I am a villager. I studied in a primary school in a small village. There is no even sitting tables in the ground. With such background I came. 30 years I was in the legislature. Only Kannada. I was an opposition leader. I always used to speak in Kannada. 30 years. Now I came to Parliament about 33 years back. I am a member of this House for 6 years. This 4.5 years. Another 1 more year is left. I don't know whether I complete my full term.
Sir, the whole House is with you. You will complete the full term and be still in a position to bless us.
Just
we wish you long life, sir.
I am
long life.
When I came to Delhi, all my colleagues in Delhi asked me to speak only in Kannada, because to give more importance to Kannada language. I am the only member who won the battle, because all the 23 Congress, I am Janta. There are so many important people. Siddhaya Puranik, Bade Kundri, Lankesh, all these people, they have given me a felicitation. They forced me to speak in Kannada. But I came to Delhi, then Speaker in the Lok Sabha was Shivraj Patil. I went and requested him, sir, I will speak in Kannada. Somebody who takes translation should be there in the table. He said, you must speak in English. Whether you can speak good English or bad English, you must. This is advice Shivraj Patil gave. Then I started, sir. I became Chief Minister. Then I became Prime Minister. Chief Minister is on my own struggle. I got the majority and I became the Chief Minister. I know how to run the administration. not a single mistake. I have not allowed my ministers then I came to Delhi. Delhi was forced. I never wanted to come to Delhi. Sir, do you know what happened? My ministers have not given a cup of tea when I was become the Prime Minister because of the coalition. Not a cup of, because they all want. In 18 months I have kept them. Not a single mistake to be committed. They have not given a cup of tea. That is the background. Sir, I have seen in the 64 years the President address and the Governor address. In the 64 years. Now I must congratulate the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, selected a backward woman as the President. I must congratulate. She came to Bangalore. Kharge ji has come. I am happy. He is we are good friends. She came to Bangalore. She requested me. I told her, no problem. I have not committed to anybody. No, she had some whatever little lunch in my house. And I promised with the support of all others, she became the President. Now I don't want to comment in what circumstances, how the opposition took this stand when this new Parliament Bhavan inaugurated. I don't want to go to all those things. But the point is, this is a policy document. Now, the budget session, the budget will be discussed. Honorable members of this House all have got their own views. Sir, yes. In 2014, Modi ji Sahab became the Prime Minister. There is a big challenge between me and him. In Chikbalapur, when he attacked me, I retaliated. If you get your majority to form the government, I will resign from the Parliament. I am going to win the battle on my own. Then he got 272 or 74. First time, 214. Vajpayee it was a coalition government. Narsimha Rao, also coalition government. So mine, you know, that is a coalition government. First time, Modi ji has got the majority. Then I went and handed over the. Directly I could have gone to speaker and handed over. Because the conversation between me and him in the election, I went there and handed over. He actually requested me, caught hold of my hands, you are the only experienced man with this age in election. Myself and Sonia Gandhi had lot of bitter attacks. She is going to retire or I am going to keep that controversies in the election. It has always happened. Don't take it seriously, you should not. He caught out of my hands, he told, and then he persuaded, I agreed. Sir, my friend is also sitting. I am happy. We formed the government in Karnataka. My son was the chief minister. Kargeji is here. To come here, you are also responsible.
I am only responsible.
I have got good relationship with Kargeji. He is the president of the party. He is struggling, fighting. I know you have done your best. But now you have understood whether in this country how all the regional parties can come together, solidly support one leader and remove the what you call a government. It's a communal government, a government which is going to destroy the democratic system, federal system, so many things. Yes? My son was removed. He knows that. I will leave it at that stage. I don't want to talk much. Yes, in the last leg of my life, I do agree. Earlier I was a congressman. I was denied the ticket because of fight of the leadership in Congress. I contested as an independent. Now I am sitting here as a Janata Party single man. One member with the support of NDA. I am boldly saying, with the support of NDA, my son contested and he is the minister. I admit, there is nothing to hide. The country must understand what I speak. This may be the last speech. Sir, this is a policy document where several issues have been mentioned. Modi ji today, in the third phase of election, he was unable to get the majority of his party. I do agree. Kargeji's leadership worked so hard he was unable to get 240 or something. But before the election, I was in India, not after the election. We jointly addressed the public meeting, Modi ji and myself, in Karnataka. Why? A person who was there for 62 years as a secular leader, all right. What secularism I don't want to now analyze in this house. I don't want to analyze who are secular, who are non-secular, who are went to take the support of the BJP, or those people who are supporting in BJP, who went to their doors, who went to Shiv Sena, all these things I can quote. I don't want to tell the names of anybody. I don't want to hurt the names of anybody. All the people who are sitting, whichever political party they may belong, how, in what circumstance things has happened, I can analyze. Sir, I don't want to go beyond certain points which I myself try to realize. I don't want to hurt anybody. Now, in the third election, that is 2014, 2019, 2019 more than 300 seats Modi ji has got. In the third phase of election, 240 seats or 48. Yes. But so many other regional party leaders have collected, and about 305 or 303 seats, it has been proved on the floor of the House. There is no question of taking any confidence, but actually it has been submitted to the President, and Prime Minister has not appointed any vice chairman. In UPA government, there was not the Prime Minister, there was a Vice Chairman also, or what we will call in the political system. It is left to them. The power center was with the chairman. He has not allowed anybody to handle and meddle with the power center. Now in 2024, when Modi ji has got 248 seats, when other political parties, Chandrababu Naidu, and I am reading in newspaper.
Concluding.
Sir,
Kharge ji,
please.
Honorable former Prime Minister is concluding. Please, sir.
Chandrababu Naidu wants to become Vice Chairman. Chandrababu Naidu wants to become the Vice Chairman or Chairman of the Committee formed by all NDA parties. Modi ji has said no, nothing to do. Chandrababu Naidu, who supports this government, which is MPs, 26 MPs, or I don't know, he wants to become the chairman. Modi ji has not agreed. He knows how to run the administration. He has got experience as Prime Minister, as Chief Minister, and he is the only tallest leader in this country who can run the country without any oscillation or
Thank you,
any
sir.
type of.
Thank you.
Sir, please, if you tell truth, you should take it. If you attack me, I welcome. If I tell any untruth, please, sir, here, the President of India has delivered the speech. In her speech, sir, I have gone through several points. Please, sir. Now,
कुछ ना कुछ दिख रहा है।
I don't want to now.
Sir, 21 minutes now. Okay,
Sir, please. The government, what they have said is, the highest priority is given to the poor, the middle class, youth and women. In the second page, the highest priority. Sir, now to achieve this highest priority, to implement this and to achieve the prospects of these neglected section, it is necessary. It is necessary a stable government, which can run for 5 years. Now, with the support of the regional parties like us, with 305 members, this government will run for 5 years. There is no question of any hesitation. I am not afraid of telling. There is nothing to curry any favor from the Prime Minister. I have not come here. In last 10 years, I have not taken any benefit from the Prime Minister or from anybody.
Sir,
You appointed, the Prime Minister appointed my son as the Prime Minister, as Minister. I have not gone to his door.
sir.
Let me be very plain. I will tell it on the floor of the house.
Thank you.
Nothing doing.
Thank you, sir.
I have not even today asked what portfolio, what is, nothing doing. Please, I don't want anybody to hurt. I am only telling the truth. Sir, you are also a farmer. I know the community. I gave reservation to the Jat community of Rajasthan. I came to Junjunur. I addressed a public meeting. Sir, Shisha Mola was a minister in my cabinet. He requested me, please help us. We are poor. I went around, I got the reservation. I was there hardly 320 days. Only 320 days. In the short period, I gave the resolution. Sir, Modi ji, in this 22 years as minister, chief minister, as prime minister, how he is running the country, I know. Today, the world has recognized not the question of Devagowda or XYZ. The world has recognized Modi ji is the tallest leader.
Time transfer ho gaya. Enough time has been made available. Enough time has been made available to the Honorable former Prime Minister from the ruling party. And they have left, enough time is there. The ruling party has 1 hour and 51 minutes left. Honorable former Prime Minister is taking time after due sanction from the ruling party. Please, sir, continue. Sir, continue. No, sir, I have acceded to the request. Sir, please, sir. Honorable former Prime Minister S.D. Devagowda ji. Only what the Honorable former Prime Minister says will go on record.
I can, please, if they don't want, I know, I am only guided by the chair. I am only guided by the chair. And also, I have requested the leader of NDA party, who is the leader of this house. I have requested your good self. The time.
Sir, you are questioning the statement of the chair.
I requested him.
Sir, I plead with you.
Through you, sir, I requested.
This is a very serious aspersion on me.
Sir, some of the programs, what they have, sir, I quote, because it is very difficult for them to swallow it. Page 2, sir. Page 2, 5,036, 5 crores 5 lakhs 36,000. 536 crores rupees have been allocated for this purpose. Pradhan Mantri Ayush Yojana. And the next is 41,000 crores has been disbursed for the farmers already. Sir, 80,000 crores for what has been said here, I am telling, sir. It is very difficult for them to swallow. What can I do? What can I do?
Thank you, sir.
And even on
Thank you, Idhar bol raha hu. Thank you, Idhar bol raha hu.
education, medical, education, agriculture, irrigation, what are the amount that has been allocated, and I can go on mention what is mentioned in this policy document.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Kharge ji, 240 seats, he cannot give a stable government. That is their argument. In Karnataka, his own party has got 136 seats. How the government is running?
देखिए के बात को डिबेट करेंगे। अरे ऐसे लोग हैं जो
I have got every right. I have got every right to say what has happened. I have not made, sir.
We thought that because
I have got every right.
we supported and what they
If I use any unparliamentary language, I can sign, I can authenticate. That's nothing to hide. I will authenticate and I will hand over.
Thank you, sir.
I will authenticate and I will hand over. I am not bothered about anybody. Sir, in Karnataka,
जब कांग्रेस अच्छी थी, बेटा मुख्यमंत्री जब कांग्रेस अच्छी थी, सांसद जब कांग्रेस अच्छी थी,
Sir,
the money that has been earmarked for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, that money has been diverted. And that was used for the election purpose. And the officer has committed suicide. I will authenticate. I will authenticate and hand over this paper. Nobody can. That is, I know what they want. Sir, let my friends have some patience. Kharge himself has advised his ministers. The paper cutting is here. He himself has advised his ministers.
सर ये क्या बोल रहे हैं सर?
How to behave?
प्रेसिडेंट एड्रेस पर बात कर
Wow. His minister, his deputy chief minister, his chief minister, the corruption, how many officers have committed suicide? How many officers? You people are watching. I don't want to speak more.
thank you, sir.
How many people? Sir, please, I will stop at this stage. I have got all papers. Kharge may feel very bad. What the advice he has given, if I read it, he will feel bad to his ministers. Sir, please. Now the only thing which I request lastly, drinking water. Please. Drinking water. I will come to that. It is mentioned here. Leave it at that stage. You are all honest. The only honest people. Leave it at that. If I tell truth, it is very difficult to digest.
Thank you, sir.
If I want to read this, it is very difficult. Touch your conscience, Mr. Ramesh. Touch your conscience.
Thank you, sir.
Stop it. I know you can't tell anything about me. I know this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, only last point. Karnataka is unfortunate. I am not speaking about Modi's government. I am speaking about all those governments in the past. Drinking water to Bangalore city is a major problem. Even today, more than 1 crore 45 lakhs people are the Bangalore population. Sir, they have allotted 20 TMC. We required more than 50 TMC.
Thank you, sir.
Please, sir. Please wait, sir. Three rivers, one Kaveri, other is Mahadavi, other is Krishna. All the 3 rivers are interstate rivers. Tribunal awards are there. Bachao Award. Please, sir, whether Kharge wants to support or not, it is not for me.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please, help me. For Kaveri, there was one interim award. Nowhere in India, in any tribunal, there is no interim award. Nowhere in the world.
Okay, thank you.
Nowhere in the world. Sir, not only interim award, but the tribunal was fighting. There are different orders. The High Court the Supreme Court has passed stricter. Such a tribunal award were notified. Sir, monthly, weekly, the water must be river from KRX. Monthly, weekly, daily, sir. If this month, if the water release is short, that should be made good for next month.
Thank you, sir.
Where do you bring? If there is no water,
Sir, you have made your point.
where do we bring?
Thank you, sir.
Now only thing is, if the drinking water for Bangalore, where do we bring?
Thank you, sir.
It
Thank
is
you.
only, sir, I request through you, it is Modi Sahab alone can solve this problem, not others. Manmohan Singh, I begged Manmohan Singh. He said, I can't. He said, Mr. Devegowda, Karye was the minister. Krishna was the minister. At that time, I begged Manmohan Singh. He said, I can't.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shri.
Modi ji can solve the problem.
Thank you, sir.
These words, I want in my lifetime the people of Karnataka, Bangalore and the Kaveri water, the districts who are suffering with drinking water, it should be solved. This appeal I will make.
Thank you, sir.
You,
Thank you, sir.
these words.
Shri
I will
Rajiv
close my-
Shukla. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद
Leader of
सभापति
the House. 1 second. Leader of the House.
आदरणीय